In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy and paste text on an Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and let's say we are browsing on some website and we wanna copy some text and then maybe save it to notes or maybe send it to our friends or do whatever we want. So once we find a text we would like to copy, all we have to do is just long press on that text. Then using these blue things we can select the exact part of the text we would like to copy, and then in this pop-up we need to tap Add Copy. That will copy this text to the clipboard, and after that we can head over to any messenger, to any app where we can save the text. Let's say I would like to share this text with someone on Telegram, so I can just get into a conversation, and then to paste this text here, all we have to do is just long press at that text field until this pop-up appears, and then just hit Add Paste. That will paste the text from the clipboard to that text field, and then we can edit it in the way we usually edit a text. So we can, let's say, remove some text from here, we can add any text here, and then once we are ready to send it, just tap at Send. You can use this method to copy any sort of text such as URLs, emails, or contact information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.